Hi guys, Isaac Mirzak here. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get rid of the background. So I'm helping my friend Carolina Milan, and I decided that while I'm doing this, just record this and share the tutorial with you guys. So today we're going to be using Photoshop CC, and so for example, she really loves this picture and she asked me to see if I could get rid of the background for her, and the results are this is what we're gonna do today. Okay, so since I already finished this one, she also has a similar picture, which is this one. We're gonna work with this picture today. Okay, so first thing is first, the way I like to work is I like to actually create a mask tool, and the reason I like to create a mask tool because if you mess up, you could always come back to it instead of just erasing permanently the background. This way, with a mask tool, you could actually bring it back. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna come down here and click on this mask, and you can see there's a white background here. We're gonna use a brush tool, and what it does is, let's make this bigger. What it does is it pretty much, well, we'll have to go in a black. Make sure you have a selected black background. So what it does is it pretty much erases everything. But the beauty about it, let's say that, oops, I just got it on her face, right? So, and if I messed up, I'm gonna come back here and select the white background. It brings it all back, and this is why I like to use the mask. So to speed up the process, what I normally do is I'll zoom into the areas that I actually want to keep, and I will use the quick selection tool, and all you have to do is just click and drag. So when you click and drag, you just keep going to the areas you want to use, and it's straightening things up. And then I go back to the brush and I make sure that it's black, because black erases, and that's it. And the best thing is, when you're using actually the selected area, you will not go in the face. So you see I'm on her face, it's not working. But if I actually inside of this box, it works pretty well. So but two things: make sure the mask is selected. How do I know it's selected? Because right now it shows already active. If I'll do this, it will not work. But if I'll click on the mask, it will definitely work. And then yeah, so you just pretty much keep going with this selected mask. So if, let's say that you keep selecting and it's kind of taking the area that you do not want to erase, so what you do is you hold Option key, and then slowly you know, it shows you the minus sign. So slowly you just go around the area that you wanted to bring back. But make sure, make sure that you're not leaving any parts out, because sometimes you might see selected area inside. So slowly, you just take it all out, because we want to use the hairs and stuff. And that should be good enough for now. Remember, because we're using a mask tool, we could always come back. So right now we're just giving ourselves something to start on, and to make it perfect, we'll come back to the areas that we want to take out. And one thing is, I like to always press Command S, so my project is saved. So special folder. I'll save it. So this way, I like to save my work in case the app crashes on me. You know, I could always come back to where it actually stopped. So when I'm actually working and I want to be very detailed, one thing is sometimes I like to directly use the brush tool and get as close as I can to the face or the area that I want to work with. The second way is I could come back, select tool, and just because when you zoom in, it actually works a lot better. So for the sake of a tutorial, what I like to do is after that, I like to use my polygonal lasso tool and just make a line and go around all the area that we don't want, and then we just go around and around to select this. And then we'll just click on that. I usually do Command Shift I. Oops. Command Shift I, and it's all done. So now we have this, but of course I have to Command D to select. I have to come up a little more. I noticed one thing here. Sometimes when you do Collect Shift I, you guys get to see this line for some reason. I don't know why that happens. So no worry. We'll go back to our. Oops. We'll go back to our brush. And we just click Z. Actually, you know what? Trying to get rid of all this purple colors. Trying to do these unnecessary ones and it doesn't go. You see, it's not a finished job, but pretty much is. And then what you guys want to do after that, what I usually do is I call command actually Option, and I make a copy of the layer, close this one down, and then I delete the mask tool. I just take it there, drag it to the trash can, boom. So now you have Carolina outlined. Save, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. It's my first tutorial, by the way, and just leave your comments, please subscribe, and let me know what you guys more interested or having issues with Photoshop, if there's something I could help you guys with. Thank you so much.